Benedict de Guzman, and this is my What is Trojan Virus? The Trojans are malicious programs that perform action that have not been authorized by the users. This action can include deleting data, blocking data, modifying data, copying data, distributing for performance of computers or computers networks. Unlike computers, viruses, and worms, Trojans are not able to self-replicate. How do Trojans can impact you? Trojans are classified according to the type of action that they can perform on your computer. A backdoor Trojans gives malicious users remote control over the infected computer. They enable the author to do anything they wish on the infected computer, including sending. Okay? Exploits are program that contain data or code that takes advantage of a vulnerability within application software that's running on your computer. Trojan's Bunker programs are designed to steal your account data for online banking system, e-payment system. Trojan's DOS. These programs conduct DOS, denial of service attacks against the target web address. Trojan's Downloader can download and install new version of malicious program onto your computer, including Trojans and malware. Trojan's Dropper. These programs are used by hackers in order to install Trojans and or viruses or to prevent the detection of malicious programs. Trojan's Fake AV programs simulate the activity of antivirus softwares. Trojan's Game Tip. This type of program steals users' account information for online games. Trojan's IM. Programs steal your logins and password. Install messaging programs such as ICQ, MSN Messenger, AOL Instant Messenger, Yahoo, Pager, Skype, and many more. Trojan's Ransom. This type of Trojans can modify data on your computer. Trojan's SMS. These programs can cost you money. Trojan Spy programs can spy on how you are using computer. For example, by tracking by the data entered via keyboard. And Trojans Mail Defiant. Other types of Trojans includes Trojans ArcBomb, Trojans Clicker, Trojans Notifier, and Proxy, and PSW. That's all. Thank you.